Unlock the power of your new Canon Eos 250d Dslr and embark on your photography adventure today. First, let's understand the mode dial for beginners. The Scene Intelligent Auto Mode is your best friend, as the camera intelligently adjusts all settings for you. To quickly access important settings, press the Q button. This brings up the quick control screen, where you can easily adjust things like ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Attaching your lens is simple. Align the red dot on the lens with the red dot on the camera body, then twist until it clicks securely. For clear focusing, look through the viewfinder and half-press the shutter button to activate autofocus. You'll see indicators like the light meter scale inside. Always ensure your battery's charge, TAN and SD card is inserted to save your stunning photos. To capture a photo, gently half-press the shutter button to focus, then press it down fully to take the shot. Experiment with different angles and subjects. Start simple, learn as you go, and most importantly, have fun capturing your world.